Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. Well, it's afternoon for me, and I've just been doing stuff. I'm still getting ready for Junk Bonanza and cleaning at the same time. So the dining room, I was trying to get like organized and cleaned at the same time of packing Junk Bonanza. Let me show you what's happened. All right, so it's kind of gone out of control in the living room. These are the boxes I'm gonna pack in and tags and smalls. But wait, there's more. I gotta clean all these linens. I gotta get her packed up. That's my sister's. Vintage pearls. So this is my dining room. So this is Junk Bonanza. Most of the table is too, not that little white thing. Junk Bonanza, that's the $400 chair with all the Junk Bonanza artwork on it. This I think is going to Junk Bonanza, that is not. And then I've got like all the wall hangings. This is Picket. Picket, Junk Bonanza, Picket, all stacked up in the corner. And then look at this. So I'm gonna be in here today, and I'm gonna be in here probably for the rest of the day. My back was completely seized up from sitting on the floor last night, and all day yesterday I sat on that floor and priced things. And I don't want to be sitting on this floor right now. I want to be moving around, but I gotta get stuff organized in here. I want to get all the Junk Bonanza stuff in one place so that it's stacked up and ready to be packed in the van. And then Junk Bonanza. Picket stuff is going to have to be actually put in Picket because I'm getting ready for the one sale before Picket Fence Gals. And I need to do a complete redesign of both booths this month. No pressure. Tomorrow I'm picking up my check, so I think there's a couple pieces that I can bring up there. I want to move some fall stuff in right away and get the booth pretty much set up for fall and October. So when I get done with Junk Bonanza, I don't have to immediately jump back in the car. I need a couple days to recover. At least a couple days. I know I'm probably gonna get sick right afterwards because that's what happened last time, was I was sick for like 3 days after Junk Bonanza. It's just the stress and the activity and the physicalness. You get exhausted, you get worn out, you get run down, you're not in your own bed, and you get sick. You get sick working it. I don't know what to tell you. Like, seriously, you get sick. For about 3 days, I feel run down and sick, and so I know I'm gonna just Sunday, Monday, probably Tuesday after Junk Bonanza, not gonna want to go into Picket. And I think Picket is literally on the heels of Junk Bonanza. Like that Tuesday, I'll have to go in and do the live tour, I think. No, it's the following week. So I have a couple days to recover, but also have to take Victoria to school and just kind of take it easy those days. At least that's the idea. Not gonna lie, I'm getting stressed out. It gets stressful for me around this time because it's like trying to do both the booth and get Picket, get Junk Bonanza. I can't remember who I'm doing what for. Get the Picket booths done and the Junk Bonanza stuff ready to go. It's like, I gotta get Fluffy cleaned out, and then it got hot again, of course. So that didn't happen. It didn't happen yesterday. I wanted to work on her yesterday. It just didn't happen. It was an unexpected turn to my day yesterday. So that's why the video for today was super duper short. I haven't even looked at the garage yet. It's just the dining room. Or Fluffy. See, I can't think too far ahead because then I start getting manic and stressed, and then I can't do it. So I'm going to keep focused on today, this day, because if I start looking at all of it and what has to get done, nothing's going to get done. I'll literally paralyze myself. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just sort this room and get everything cleaned and priced if I can today. It's a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, this room is a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff in here. Well, you saw, but I don't even think you realize how much is in those boxes. I know I didn't. Oh, good Lord, you guys. And then I'm like making mental lists in my head, and I should actually start writing them down because otherwise I won't sleep at night, of the things that need to get done. Like that quilt needs to be soaked, so do those linens, and then they need to be cleaned. But that's ruminating in my head right now instead of write it down and let it go. Write it down and let it go, which has been successful for me in the past, and I should just do that. I should actually have a box that just is for stuff that needs to be cleaned. Because there's some stuff that has been cleaned and stuff that hasn't. The stuff that's been cleaned has been packed and priced. The stuff that hasn't been cleaned is still sitting out because it needs to be cleaned. Yeah. This is 2 all city sales and a whole lot of junk runs that just never got handled. So that's why there's not going to be a lot of DIY for a while, unless you call this DIY. So that's it. That's what I'm going to do. I'll get you guys propped up. You can watch me run around like a chicken with my head cut off. I think what I'm going to do is make this side Picket, because this is Picket and it's on the wheel dolly. So I think I'm going to make like this side of the dining room Picket, and then Junk Bonanza the whole rest of the dining room. And that way I can kind of, because both things have to happen this month, so I'm like simultaneously working on both. So this way they're both accessible but separate, and I can keep it straight in my brain. So if I put Picket over here and Junk Bonanza over there, I'll still be able to move in the same space and work without getting it mixed up. Look what the OG found me. So my husband picked it up at his house. It's a gorgeous buffet. Remember when I said I didn't have any furniture for this month? I have furniture. So my husband is now going to help me bring this to Picket. It's just pretty. Doesn't need any work. Love it. And this is my Jeff that I was talking about. The curmudgeon. He loves helping me with my business.
Oh, I love it.
So he's really excited to move furniture for me today.
I can't wait to get there. I'm in such a big hurry.
But you get to get coffee on the way home. So
I get to get coffee anytime.
I'm trying to give you positives, babe. You get away from the kid for 20 minutes.
I have a shop.
It's true.
I can do that anytime.
I'm kind of jealous of his shop. So we're going to get to Picket. I'm just glad I have a piece of furniture to fill that space. So we're on our way back. I forgot my keys. I'm really sorry. He's going to let me take his truck tomorrow when I go pick up my check. And then I'll just take it out then. But I'm really embarrassed because I brought the wrong keys, actually. I had keys. This is the wrong keys. So that's fun. So he's dear.
Yeah, you gotta steer into them and they run away from you.
Yeah, well, I'm worried about what she's looking at over there, which is probably the rest of them. All right. You guys, he just went into the store to get his coffee. He took that surprisingly well. I'm a little shocked that he's not more upset, because that was a long portion of his day. He doesn't like to waste his time, and it was totally a waste of time. I couldn't believe it when I took the keys out of my pocket when I got there. I was just sick. I'm like, oh my God, no. So I'm really surprised at how well he's taking it. And he goes, I guess we'll go back tomorrow. And I was like, why because he's so calm, right? And then I said, I could take your truck tomorrow. No, every time I've taken his truck, I've hit something. So I said, I won't hit a bird or nothing, I promise. So I was surprised he's actually going to let me take his truck. Oh, it's going to be a good day tomorrow. Good day. And the last thing I have to do today is get that stuff out of the back of my car so I can get groceries tomorrow. Fun. And I've made enough room for groceries back there. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. And I have to get, on Tuesday I have to go to the OGs and drop some of this stuff off. So there's going to be a lot of it leaving. I don't know where I'm going to put the kid and the dog when I do that. We'll worry about that tomorrow night. Let's just finish this. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.